Hello everyone, come to next session. Okay, so now see, this is language study related with grammar. Whenever grammar will see, particularly at that time we have to study only, but it's one part of our syllabus, so we'll see this fastly. It's a language study, means now we want to see the lesson as describing words. Describe means what? To show off something, to tell someone's quality. For example, here one picture has been given. After watching this picture, immediately you will tell that what it is. This is a fruit, yes. And what's its name? Its name is mango. Okay, so mango is given here. Now it's one of the quality. For example, it is sweet. Sweet is its quality, means the sweet word describes about mango. Second one quality, what it is? That it is yellow. Means again this is one of the describing word, yellow, sweet. Okay, so the words which are giving some of the information, particular information about that particular thing is known as describing words. So now see, we'll see, let's know fastly. A mango is a yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. Come to second one picture, what it is? It's a rose. So a rose is red. It is very beautiful. Come to next one picture. These are pencils. So these are how many pencils? Only I said that these are pencils. But how many? When we are asking the question how, at that time we are getting describing word. That is 4. How many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4, it's a quality of this pencil. So these are the 4 pencils. We use sharp pencils to write. Again the question we can ask, how is the pencil? The pencil is sharp. Means sharp is the describing word. Then come near to this picture. This is your one of the favorite pet. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. Okay, dog is a clever and loyal animal. So now see my dear friends, yellow, sweet, red, beautiful, 4, sharp, clever, loyal. These all are the describing words. They are giving some of the information. They are telling the quality of these particular things. Okay. Now if you are watching, if you are saying that a dog is a yellow in color, no, you will not able to match that. So what you will match immediately? Mango is yellow in color. Correct? No. Means these things we have to see very carefully in grammar. Now see, one of the question is given. Match the following. In match the following, again the same thing. Sharp, pencil. Clever. What will come to clever? Dog. Sweet, mango. Red, rose. So likewise you have to match. Come to next one page now. Again, some of the describing words are given. Here, 8, red, big, green, old. So, these all are the describing words. These words we have to use in these particular blanks. So, now see, first one is, what it is? Ball. So, about ball, 8 ball will write here. So, it will be correct? No, because only one ball you are able to see. So, if you are saying red, then also no. Why? Because many colors you are able to see. So, big will be the correct describing word for this ball. So, what it is? This is a big ball. Okay. Come to next one. An apple is red in color. Correct? Red in color. He is an old man. Correct? There are 8 bananas. So, if you are counting these all bananas, they are 8. And so, these are 8 bananas. This is a green parrot. Okay. So, about these all the things, some of the main information quality has been shown in this blank. So, here it is known as describing words. Hope so you all have understood this small concept of describing words. Once again, we'll see the review when the grammar section will be there. Okay, all of you. See now, one of the interesting poem. Friends forever. Forever means for lifelong, for last life, for long life. Okay. So, whenever you are coming to school, at that time many friends you are making. Sometimes you are making friends, you are leaving the friendships. But some friendships are likewise, you want to keep that friendship for your lifelong. For example, from junior KG, if you are making one of the friend, you are thinking that this is my best friend, this friend should be for my end of the life. So likewise, friends forever. This is one of the interesting poem. So how it is, just see, make new friends but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever, we will always be. Okay, now see, in these three stanzas, the information or importance of friend and friendship has been given. So, make new friends. Every day we will meet to some of the person or many of the persons in our routine life. At that time we are making friendships. But when we are making new friendships, we don't want to forget our old friend. We have to keep the friendship with our old friend also. ओल्ड मतलब बूढ़े के साथ नहीं, बूढ़े के साथ भी फ्रेंडशिप हो सकती है, बूढ़े लोगों के साथ भी फ्रेंडशिप होती है. बट कीप द ओल्ड मीन्स व्हाट? दिस इज एन अपोजिट वर्ड. न्यू, ओल्ड. न्यू मीन्स जो आज नया फ्रेंड बनाया वो भी तुम्हारा फ्रेंड है, और कल जिसके साथ आपकी फ्रेंडशिप थी वो भी आपके फ्रेंड है. मीन्स make the new friends, but you have to remind, you have to maintain the old friendships also. Why? Because if new friend is the old one, if the new friend is silver, then your old friend is the gold. Gold and silver, सोना और चांदी दोनों भी तुम लोग यूज करते हो, correct? No? So like they are the jewelry for us, they are the jewels, they are the precious gold and silver for us. So we have to keep friendships in a very soft way. A circle is round, a circle is having any end. जब तुम सर्कल बनाते हो तो इसमें किसी को घुसने की हिम्मत होती है क्या? नहीं. ये ब्रेक करते हैं क्या? नहीं. इन सर्कल यू आर प्लेइंग. मीन्स a circle is round in shape, it is round in shape, never its end. So it has no end. So like the circle, the friendship is not having any end only in our life. That's how long I will be your friend. So the friends are telling to each others. See here, two friends you will able to see. Here two friends you will able to see. Now this tree, this is a tree and this is a boy. So they both are also the friends. So what they are telling to each other? How the circle is in the round shape, likewise only our friendship also will be up to the long life. It will never get ended. Okay. Now see, across the land, across the sea. Across means उसके भी आगे. Across the land, ज़मीन जितनी दिखती है तुम्हारे आँखों को उसके भी आगे. देखो, तुम बाहर जाके देखो, ग्राउंड पे खड़े होकर देखो, जहाँ तक तुम्हारी आँखें जाती है वहाँ तक क्या दिखेगा? सिर्फ लैंड, सिर्फ ज़मीन दिखेगी. और अगर तुम सी शोर पे जाएंगे, समंदर के बाजू में जाएंगे, तो वहाँ पे अगर खड़े रहेंगे तो सामने तुम्हारे आँखों के क्या दिखेगा? जहाँ तक आँखें पहुँचती है वहाँ तक क्या दिखेगा? सिर्फ पानी. Water and water. So across the land and across the sea, friends forever we will always be. So likewise, across the land, up to where the land is there and up to where in the ocean sea water is there, up to that lifelong our friendships will be there. So likewise, you have to make friendships in a very proper way. So now come to the workbook. If you are watching the workbook, in workbook also the summary has been given. So this summary also, after listening the video, you have to read compulsorily. Okay, you don't want to write, but you have to read. Now see, come to this one. Just I will read for you. In this poem about friends, the poet tells us that though we make new friends, we should keep our old friends. New friends are like silver, while old friends are like gold. He explains that a circle is round with no end and goes on and on. He tells his friend that in the same way he will always continue to remain a friend forever. He informs his friend that whether they are separated by land or by the sea, they will always remain friends forever. Okay. So at any cost what will happen in the life, but the friendships will never get break. Likewise, the summary has been given in this small poem. So you all are requested to by heart the poem also and to write the poem also in your notebook. Now come to this exercise. Exercise already I have solved in workbook. So immediately after watching the video, you have to solve in your workbook also. Hope so you have understood the poem. Now come to next the session. This is let's speak. Only you have to speak. Now see, this auntie or this teacher, you can say, she is ready with some of the students or some of the children for making one of the interesting food item. You all like that very much. Hope so you all like only. Yes. Let's guess what it will be. See here what it is written. BHEL. Okay, means after pronouncing this spelling, if I am not wrong, it's a bhel. Yes, it's a bhel only. BHEL. And if I am not wrong, you all like bhel so much. Yes, मुंह में पानी आ गया. ओके रुकाओ पानी को रुकाओ क्योंकि अभी स्पीकिंग टाइम है. और ओके, लेट्स कम्युनिकेट विथ ईच अदर हाउ टू मेक दिस भेल. ओके, now see children, let's make bhel tomorrow. Who would like to eat who would like to bring kurmura, puffed rice. ओके, अब कुरमुरा मतलब भेल बनानी है तो भेल के लिए क्या क्या आइटम लगेंगे ये तुम्हें भी मालूम है. अगर हम लोग सब क्लास में होते तो तुम जल्दी जल्दी उछल के जोर जोर से बोलते टीचर भेल. यस, कुरमुरा, टोमेटो, फरसान, देन ओनियन, करेक्ट, कोरिएंडर, lemon juice. Many of the things would have come out, but alas, we are not in the school. Very soon we'll meet in the school and we'll enjoy the bhel party. Okay, now let's come to this session. Just we'll fastly see which things we know, which we like for kurmura or we like for making the bhel. Now see children, let's make bhel tomorrow. Who would like to bring kurmura, means puffed rice? I would like to bring kurmura. Okay, one of the children, one of the student is saying. And who would like to bring farsan? Teacher, I would like to bring farsan. Okay, one of the girls said immediately. Now again teacher is saying, what are the other things needed to make bhel? See, immediately, like you only, these students are very clever. So they have started the answers. Tomatoes, onion, coriander leaves. Then now teacher is very happy. Yes, my students are very smart like you. Now tell me, who would like to bring chopped tomatoes and onions? Chopped means kate hue. Now teacher, I would like to bring chopped tomatoes. Teacher, I would like to bring chopped onions. Likewise, immediately all students are getting ready for bringing these all the things. Now see, again the next question is there by teacher. And who would like to bring chopped coriander leaves? So immediately the smart girl is saying that teacher, I would like to bring chopped coriander leaves. Wonderful. Children, would you like to bring salt, lemon juice and big bowls, spoons and plates? Yay! What's the fun? Means now after eating the bhel, see now your faces will look likewise. Am I correct? You will say yes, yummy, very nice. It's the very nice time to have a bhel. Okay. So see, after eating this bhel in the classroom itself, one of the activity these children have completed, and now they all are very happy and they have enjoyed the great time of eating bhel. So today, let's have party with your parents at home. It will be the bhel party. Yes, get ready for enjoying the bhel party. Now, after enjoying the bhel party, let's come to some of the music. It is a reading time. Okay, the pictures have been shown here and the names of that particular instruments have been shown here. You have to match these pictures with the words. Harmonium, so this is the harmonium. Tabla and dagga. Veena here. Mridanga here, piano, see here, flute here, and cymbals here. Means these all things you have to match very properly. Now read the following sentence. Only you have to read the sentences. Vishal plays the harmonium well. He cannot play violin. Sanjana plays the tabla and dagga well. She cannot play piano. Shubham plays the piano well. He cannot play the harmonium. He can play the harmonium too. My mother learns vocal music. She plays the veena when she sings. My friend plays the cymbals in the school band. He cannot play the mridanga. Okay, so likewise, this is the reading activity for all of you. Now, let us come to our last lesson of this unit. This is again the story writing. How to write the story. So here, see my dear students, different stories you all are knowing. One by one, you have to tell some of the story. Okay, now this activity we are going to take only. You will get chance to make one of the short clip of your voice, and you have to send on the group. But whenever I will tell at that time. Now this is the writing time. So see here, complete the following story with the help of hints given in the bracket. Hints means some of the important words are given, and here the blanks and story is given. So what you want to do from this page, you have to see the hint words and you have to complete this story in your notebook in a very good handwriting. At first in workbook you have to complete, and then whenever I will tell at that time you have to complete in notebook. Okay. So see the ready-made material I will show you how I have made. So here on page number 55 this activity has been given. The story is about the elephant, then about the tiger, about monkey, rabbit and bear. So you all are requested to read this story with the help of your parents, and you have to complete this workbook as the story writing time. Okay, so here my dear students, we have completed the syllabus. Now one by one from the next session we'll start the writing activity, and many of the activities we have to complete with. So my dear students, take your own time and complete the given work in a very proper handwriting. No need of making hurry. Today only or in a week you have to complete this writing work, and after taking your own time only you have to send this work on the group itself. So we'll meet in the next session with question paper pattern and the new one activities. Till that, all of you take care of yourself, and bye all of you.